Hi everyone, Sunil here from Aah Clean and Exterior Clean Melbourne. I just want to show you this. So whenever we're on roofs, I always take a look at, whenever I start seeing sooty residue around a flue like this, I have a good look at it, and I'll just show you here. Whenever you start seeing that kind of level of residue coming out of a flue, it's very high chance that it really does need a clean, probably well overdue. We've got a steel brush, so chimney sweep, flexible rods so they can actually go round bends. So if you do have some bends in your flue, that's not an issue for us. I'm going to just first remove the Chinaman's hat. In goes the brush, so I hope you can see that. In goes the brush. You can actually feel it. It's really quite thick in there. Just attach another pole. So we can go up to double-story properties with these poles. And there we are at the bottom. You can feel that. Give it another full go. There we go. Chimney cleaned. So we normally add this on as a service, as an add-on service for our customers. So generally it's when we've done a gutter clean or a solar panel clean or something like that, that we would typically do this. Alright, there we go folks, chimney cleaned. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if we can help you out with the chimney clean, as long as you've got a standard, we can get different brushes, but that's a standard, which is what most flues are. Hope you've enjoyed the video.